I ask him his name, and while he's telling me his name, I'm looking for a feature.
Got it, okay.
Right. So the steps is look, listen, because you're going to see them first as they walk up to you. Right? You see them. So if you know you're going to be memorizing people's names, look at the feature right away and see if you can grab that. And then, if maybe the name will be able to line up with the feature easily, maybe it won't. But you have to. But we're going to get to the linking part. Okay. But yeah, you have to look, choose a prominent feature. And the reason you choose a prominent feature is because when you see them again, that will most likely be the feature that you'll notice again. Right? So that's why you choose a prominent feature. So it jogs your memory. Right? The next step is listen. This is the hardest part. You have to listen to their name